Hey you guys, Squint here. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at this American lock. You see here, it's a 5200 series US stamped. It works real good. Yep, I'll be able to get this, take it apart. You can see the key bitting here. Let's see if you can, yeah, you can see that. Not very impressive, especially for an American lock, but these are, I think this is a new type of American. You can see here my other, let's see if I can pull it out, my other 5200s, and look at the bit. I mean, you can see the difference just in the bitting alone. And I've done this, I think I've picked one of these already, so but it's essentially the exact same lock, just a different color, and of course the model number is different, so I'll have to look up and see what the year differences is. But the keys are definitely different, you know, different shape, different bitting. But yeah, it's all good. We're gonna get it picked, see if we can get it picked and see what's inside of it. So this is gonna be this American 5200. This is one that I picked up the other day. I think I showed you guys that I got it at work. All right, we're gonna use the bottom of the keyway tension. It's just a little bit easier to move that pick around. So let's see if we need to zoom in a little bit. There we go. And let's see if we can get it done. All right. I'm using a hook number 1 from Peterson, so it's kind of got a little flat end on it. All right. There we go. Okay, a little click out of the front, a little click out of the back, click out, I think, number 2. That was 4. Okay, that's 4, 3, 2. Go ahead and reset it. Oversetting, I think. Okay, that's 3, 2. Big click on 1. Big click on 5. There we go. All right. So that was the American 52. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys out so you guys can watch the gutting. Come on, camera, keep going. All right, I'm gonna angle you down. Whoops, sorry about that. Hit the camera frame. You guys can see that we're open. And I'm not getting this thing undone. It'd be interesting to see what's in here with that bitting. tray. That thing is dirty. Yeah, it's definitely been in use. You can see how filthy that thing is in there. Small plug follower. That thing's never around when you need it. I tell you what. There we go. Let's see. Alright, so this is one of those. Looks like it's a crimped core. That sucks. Well, at least you guys see that we're open. I have the key, so I'm going to put the key in there and try to find the right spot to push this out since it's a crimped core. There should be a spot right where it clicks. I think that's it. That is not it. Oh, damn it. I hate these type. I did see a video somebody posted to where you can just, I think, cut this little lip off. I don't know. I may just do that. Sit here screwing around with these things all day. I thought there was a point to where you could get it. Yep, shit. Alright, we'll just do that then. Alright, so we got it upside down. That was pin number 2. Where'd my little tweezers go so I can grab that? This sucks. That was key pin 2. There's key pin 1. There's key pin 3. There's 5. And 4. I swear there was a way to get this out of here without messing that stuff up. I definitely don't want to turn the key around now without the... Yeah. Alright guys, I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin this core. But you can see, I mean, it has all the key pins in it. I haven't never taken it apart. I don't know how I'm going to get in here without cutting it. You can see it's crimped on both sides. Right here on the back, so it won't release that. I thought if you released it to one side it would come out, but that didn't want to come out at all, and I don't want to ruin it. So I think that's where this video is going to end. at least for now, until I can figure out how to get all these pins out of the Bible. Well, I'll show you the key pins just so you can see what they look like on that bitting. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll be on to the next lock. Alright, so I just did a American 5200 lock. That wasn't, the core was crimped and I didn't want to mess it up. So I also have this Series 50. I think this one was sent to me by Keith Dean. Thanks Keith for this lock. It's beautiful. I love the American locks. It has a riveted core, so I won't be able to take it apart, but at least I'll be able to splice these two videos together if I can get it open. So it has a very nice bitting. And let's get it in the vise and see if we can get it done. Still just going to use hook number 1. Might have just overset one. Just looking for those little clicks. There it goes. Nice. And then one. Oh, alright. So that was cool. Let me zoom you guys out. That was a Series 50 American. I have not picked that one before. It's just been sitting in my little box over there that Keith Dean sent to me. I was like, well, I'll see if we can get this other one open. You guys can see down in there it has a rivet. I thought you could. Let's see. Gotta get the angle. There it is. It's got a rivet down in there, so it's not. I'm not able to take it apart. I did see a video that you can take those out, but I'm not. I think I saw Trekmaster 30 do it. So yeah, that may be something I look forward to doing. And yeah, so appreciate you guys watching, and I'll be on to the next lock.